Today, I am going to unbox and show you the newest style from Rothys, the Chelsea. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you are a regular viewer and subscriber, I absolutely love you. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. It's just a button here somewhere. It means the world to me. I'm trying to grow the channel. Give us a thumbs up too if you like this. We're also on all the social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Dress Up Mom, hashtag The Dress Up Mom, and you can check us out there too. I have been a fan of Rothys shoes for many years now. I think when they kind of first started, I read about them, I believe, in the Wall Street Journal years ago, and I was so drawn to their mission of using water bottles and keeping their shoes very sustainable. They're made out of 100% recyclable material, and then the shoe itself is recyclable when you're done wearing them. That was what really caught me about the brand, and it was sort of before a lot of others were doing that. But when I got my first pair, I fell in love because they're super stylish, really comfortable, last forever. You can throw them in the wash and they don't make your feet stink. I don't know how else to say it. They're the only real shoe that I can wear without a sock all day long, run around, do whatever I need to do, come back and the shoes don't stink. I mean, that means a lot to me though. You know, your stinky feet and shoes when you get back after a whole day, it always kind of grossed me out. And I would have to wear socks, but the shoes wouldn't look good with socks. Anyways, Rothys for me have solved that problem. And then I can also just pop them into the washer if I ever do start sensing any of that. So I already own 3 pairs of Rothys. The first pair are my pointy-toed flats that are in this really cool green color. They don't make this anymore. I'm so glad I've had them. I've had these for years and they look brand new. And then I have just the regular black one in that, the black little flat that I wear to work. And if I need to sort of dress anything up and still want to be comfortable and walk around all day, these are the ones that I wear. I also have their sneaker that came out, I think this past summer, and I've been wearing the heck out of these. Again, I can wear them without a sock. They're great. They go everywhere. And I like a nice white crisp sneaker. These stay pretty white, but again, I can just pop it right in the washing machine anytime I need to spruce them up. I'm on the Rothys mailing list, of course. And recently I got an email saying that they had a new style coming, their first boot called the Chelsea. Well, of course I was intrigued. And I started to look at the colors and the style of it, and I thought this would be so cool to have really year-round here in San Diego because, again, you can wear them without socks and they're so comfortable. But for sure for like the fall and the spring and even the winter, I thought they would be a really cool boot. So I decided to go ahead and buy them. Now, one of the things when you buy from Rothys, they're true to size, at least for me they are. They're very true to size. You don't have to sort of wear them in any kind of way, which is kind of fun. They have a great return policy, by the way, if you need to return them and get a new size. They also come really quickly. I think from the time that you order it to the time they arrive is less than a week. If anything, it's probably more like 2 or 3 days. And I love it because they totally keep you up to date all along the process. When they shipped, when they're out on the truck, when they've actually arrived in your mailbox. So here's some footage of what happened when I got my email saying that my new Rothys were in my mailbox. They really are so cool. I do love the style and the way that they fit up here. And again, they're just so comfortable. It's really like putting putting on a slipper. This material, this fabric, whatever it is, it's just cushiony and nice. I'll also show you, if you're not aware, the inside little cushioning of these is really nice, and in here there's so much of it too that they're just incredibly comfortable to wear all day long. However, not just comfortable, sustainable, good for the planet, not stinky, and super stylish. I think that's the thing I like the most. So I am very pleased with these, and I'm gonna be wearing the heck out of them. You'll see me styling them on the channel. I'm showing you just sort of the first day that I did wear them and the fun that I had with them. I can see wearing them so many different ways, with skirts, with shorts, with pants, with cropped pants, just jeans, everything. I think these are gonna be wonderful. And certainly if I ever have to go somewhere for, you know, a long day of walking, I will wear these because, again, comfy. If they get dirty, I'm popping them in the washer. So I would love to know, does anybody else have a pair of these Chelsea little boots from Rothys? I wonder if they're gonna come up with any other boots, because gosh, they're so cool. I would love to know if you do, if you like them, if you love Rothys in general, and if you're thinking about getting a pair. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.